Hi guys, this is Maniba Chaudhary. Welcome back to Vision Crafted. Today we will learn how to create paper turn effect in Photoshop. So let's start. First, I will make a rectangle in the middle and change the color according to your requirement. I'll change to in white and move it to one of the corner. Then I will go to layers and open up layer styles, apply black to white gradient on it and click OK. After that, I will also select the layer below it and convert both of them into a smart object. Now press Ctrl+T, right click and select warp and simply drag this corner to make a fold like this. Then press enter. Go to the layers again and open up layer style, and now we will apply drop shadow on it to make it more realistic. Adjust the setting and simply hit OK, and a paper turn effect is ready. Then don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel, which is Vision Crafted.